Hey, good morning, food friends. Hope y'all are doing awesome out there. My name's Lee. Thanks for joining me today at Dude Talkin Food. Just wanted to give an update on everything, let you all know what's going on. Today's November the 2nd. We've just rolled the clocks back. Halloween's passed. Day of the Dead just happened. So I hope everyone had a great holiday and you're dealing with the time changes. I've got a whole week off. Haven't had a whole week off in probably 3.5 years, not because my company doesn't give PTO. I have tons of PTO. I get like 200 plus hours a year. I haven't been able to take a full week off for a set of reasons I'm not going to get into. It's sort of HR related, it's sort of compliance related. It had to deal with the software I worked with. But the good news is that that software is closed. I'm no longer held by that. I'm taking a full week off and I'm going to be filming recipes. Taking a couple days off to relax yesterday and today. I'm sort of filming this anyways. I'm just going to throw it up as a little, hey, how are you? But I'm going to be filming recipes all this coming week so that I've got a backlog of content to work through. This way I can keep filming in the future and always keep putting out recipes. I know that's what everyone's been asking for. I've been doing all these other food awareness videos and people like them and we have a good discussion about them, but everyone seems to be on board of avoiding the whole ultra processed foods and all the food dyes. We're looking to get rid of, everyone's looking to get rid of all of these. So recipes seem to be what everyone's going for. So I should be filming 4 or 5 recipes during this week just to have them out or to have them filmed. And then I'll be putting them out next week and every week after that, plus filming as well. So this way I'll always have content coming out. Just wanted to take this minute to thank you all for, bearing with me over this year. It's still a hobby. I haven't been filming as much as I wanted. There's been a lot going on, as I've talked about in other videos. But I really, really want to thank everyone who's stuck around and, has been following these recipes and, initiating discussion. So here's some other content you may enjoy. I'm going to put it up on the side over here. And I look forward to getting these recipes filmed and, discussing them all and helping you all cook a little better. So hope you all have a great weekend. Take care, and I'll be back. Peace, y'all. Take it easy.